If you're over 60 and feeling weaker in your legs, your body might be losing muscle quietly every single day. But there's one simple habit you can start tomorrow morning that helps keep your strength, balance, and confidence. And it takes less than 2 minutes. No gym, no equipment, just your body. And this one powerful movement. Let me show you how it works. So, why squats? Because they're not just a leg exercise, they're a full body signal, a message to your muscles: we still use you, don't shut down. After 60, your body becomes more sensitive to inactivity. If you sit for hours without challenging your legs, your muscles slowly weaken, especially in your thighs, hips, and glutes. That's when everyday tasks get harder. Standing up, climbing stairs, keeping your balance. Squats fight back. They activate your biggest muscle groups, improve circulation, and even support better posture and joint health. And the best part? You can do them anywhere. No gym, no equipment, just your own body and a bit of intention. Here's how to do this habit the right way. Start by standing tall with your feet about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted and your eyes looking straight ahead. Now slowly bend your knees and lower your body, like you're about to sit down on a chair behind you. Then push through your heels and stand back up. That's 1 rep. If your knees feel stiff or your balance is off, use a chair for support. Place it behind you and just tap it lightly as you squat. You don't need to go deep, just enough to engage your legs. Start with 5 squats each morning. If that feels good, build up to 10. If you're already stronger, go for 2 rounds of 10 with a short rest in between. Want a little extra? Exhale as you stand up. That engages your core and improves control. And remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Doing your morning squats is a great start. But real strength happens during a recovery. Here are 3 simple things you can do to make sure your muscles actually rebuild, not just break down. 1. Eat a protein-rich breakfast within 1 hour. Your muscles need fuel to grow. Try a boiled egg, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake. Even something small makes a difference. And yes, my favorite shake is linked below. 2. Drink water within 15 minutes. Hydration isn't just for hot days. Your muscles need water to transport nutrients and remove waste. After movement, even light movement, drink a glass of water to support recovery. 3. Stretch or walk. Later in the day, your muscles recover better when you keep them gently active. A light afternoon walk or 2 minutes of stretching in the evening can reduce soreness and help your legs feel ready again tomorrow. Bonus tip? Sleep well tonight. That's when real repair happens, and you'll wake up ready to do it again. It may seem small, just a few squats in the morning. No equipment, no trainer, just you and your own body. But don't underestimate what that means. Every time you move with intention, you're telling your body, I'm not giving up. You're choosing strength. You're choosing independence. You're choosing to protect the life you've built. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just physical. It steals confidence, freedom, and joy. And with one simple habit, you're taking all of that back. 1 rep at a time. This is how change begins. Not with perfection, but with a quiet decision to show up, even for just 2 minutes. And here's something important. You need a reason. Something that pulls you forward. Something worth staying strong for. For me, it was this. I wanted to walk through the forest again with my dog. No cane, no pause. Just me, the trees, and the freedom to move without fear. What's your reason? What are you staying strong for? Let me know in the comments. Because when you know what you're fighting for, you're far more likely to win. Thanks for watching. If you tried this habit today, or plan to start tomorrow, you've already done more than most people ever will. This channel exists for one reason: to give seniors practical, science-based tools to stay strong, independent, and confident, without hype, pressure, or noise. One small habit at a time, one quiet win at a time. So if that's the kind of support you need, you're in the right place. And if you want to see the simple tools I personally use to support muscle recovery, you'll find my favorite links in the description below. Don't forget to share your reason for staying strong in the comments. And hit subscribe if you want to keep building strength together.